Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a simple motor at home with a magnet, battery and some wire and a few other things like nails. So let's see what we can do. So for this simple motor idea you'll need your magnet, a battery, and I actually found this one works better with a smaller battery. Smaller battery, and also if you actually have a smaller magnet than this it will work better, but this is the only magnet I've got. So you'll need a screw like this that you can place in the center of your magnet like that, and then use your battery and you should be able to suspend your magnet like that from the bottom, and if it's not suspending then use a shorter nail so that the magnet's closer to the battery. Then hold one end of the wire to the top and touch the other end to your magnet, and as you'll see it starts spinning. So for this one you'll need some copper wire, magnet and the battery. So what I'm going to do is put the magnets on the bottom of the battery again. So you can see it spinning, but each time it spins the top off. So what I'm going to do is get a little nut that I can put on the top, and there we go, it rests inside that, and as you can see we now have a working simple motor.